Department of Life Science Botany, Manipur University, Imphal, Amadi, National Institute of Ecology, International Journal of Ecology and Environmental Science, Loktak Development Authority, Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, Government of Manipur, Punakusam Naraga, Numit humni chupna chathagadaba National Conference on Implication of Climate Change and Conservation of Natural Resources and Cultural Heritage 2025 ki houdokhre thorom aba Manipur University ki Auditorium Hall da houdokhre. Thorom aduda Manipur ki Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Chief Conservator of Forest and Head of Forest Force, Government of Manipur, Anurag Baspai, Principal, Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor and Lokendra Singh, Life Science Botany Department, MUG HOD, Amadi Thorom Asigi Organizing Committee ki Convener Su Odiba Professor Kanan Bala Sarang Themna Chingbana Atoibu Mithunglen Singh Oike. Thorom adugi Manung Chana Conference Asiga Marilinaba, Souvenir Amasu Fongki, Thorom aduga Marilina Governor na Wafum Kayasu Fongdoki.